Welcome to Caddie Quick Clips, the 2-minute guide to successful drawing and modelling with Caddie. Here we're going to take a look at how we can very quickly and easily manipulate objects, mirroring them using our context-sensitive menu. So how do we do that? Well, first of all we need to select the objects we're going to manipulate. Now we could do that individually, and you can see we could do that just literally by selecting them. With something as complex as a car, that could take an awfully long while. So we can select them choosing left to right, which will take all the objects that are just totally inside the rectangle, or if we go right to left we notice the box goes dotted to show that anything that's cut by the box will also be selected. So we can do that, or as an alternative, here I have the car as a pattern or group of objects, so a double left click will select those two. So there we have our selection. Right clicking, our context sensitive menu now reflects the changes that we've made to our selection and giving us the option of moving, copying, rotating, scaling, or in this case, as we want to do, mirror. So we'll choose mirror, and here we have our options. So if we have a specific angle we wish to mirror about, then we just choose it from here. We can type in whatever angle we want, choose the common angles from the drop down list too. So if we say OK to that, it says indicate the point about which to mirror, so we could pick maybe the center point there, and we see that we have a simple mirror about the 90-degree line there. So 0 is our horizontal line. Just going to do an undo on that one, and we'll do the same thing, selecting mirror, but this time using axis from an object. So say we wanted to mirror our object about this 45-degree line. Could be any line, could be any angle, but if we choose OK to that, we simply pick a reference line, as it asks us on the command line here, pick a reference line or construction line, there it is, it will find it and mirror it about that line with that as the center of the mirror. And then doing the same thing, but this time choosing axis from 2 points. If I were to choose, say, the end of the line there and the end of the line there, that would give me a mirror about that as my axis. So that's a very quick way of doing mirror. If you're wanting to copy objects too, then take a look in the transformations tools and you'll see that we have the mirror options there. Very similar, but we choose the object from the selection sets at the left, and we have the option of mirroring the original or simply copying. For more Caddie Quick Clips and information on maximising your own productivity using Caddie, go to www.caddiesoftware.com.